10 benefits of drinking warm lemon every day for health. One. Gives a calming effect. Drinking warm lemon will be able to provide a calming effect and make the body feel comfortable. Especially if you drink warm lemon after you finish your activities while relaxing, it will make the body warmer and more relaxed afterward. 2. Boost immunity. The high antioxidant content in lemons can boost immunity. The benefits of lemon water for health on this one can improve body fitness, keep the body fit and can prevent the body from disease or infection. 3. Makes breath fresher. Drinking warm lemon every day can also improve oral health, make breath fresher and prevent infections in the mouth. This is because the properties of lemon can overcome germs that can damage teeth and gums. 4. Prevent kidney stone disease. Lemons contain high levels of citric acid and minerals, which can inhibit the formation of kidney stones. Both of these ingredients can increase urine production, which can overcome the formation of kidney stones. 5. Balance the pH in the body. The benefits of drinking lemon water before bed or waking up is one easy way to balance the body's pH levels. The acid in the lemon will be converted into alkaline compounds, which will be absorbed by the body and effectively deal with excess acid production. 6. Smooth the digestive system. The next benefit of drinking warm lemon is that it can prevent digestive problems such as constipation and protect the stomach. Because the acid content in lemons can prevent the buildup of toxins in the digestive tract and facilitate the digestion of food. 7. Controls appetite. Lemon contains pectin, which helps in digestion and makes the stomach feel full longer. So that it can prevent the arrival of hunger more quickly, it can also help the diet program that is carried out. 8. Make skin healthier. To get the benefits of lemon for health and beauty care, the juice is not only used as a mask, toner or scrub. Drinking warm lemon water will also nourish the skin from within, so the skin will look healthier and more beautiful. 9. Control blood pressure. The high potassium, calcium and antioxidant substances in lemons can help cure hypertension because it can control blood pressure. In addition, some of these substances can also minimize the occurrence of stroke or heart disease. 10. Prevent cancer. Similar to the benefits of boiled lemon water for health, warm lemon drinks can also help prevent cancer. This is because lemon contains compounds such as d-limonene and hesperidin which are useful in preventing cancer. Thus information about the various benefits of drinking warm lemon every day for the health of the body. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share TVN7 info. Wait for the next video.